Good morning, everybody, and good morning, ladies. It's a long way to walk for these girls this morning. It's like they're going right there. Yeah, they're not in the biggest of rushes this morning. It generally happens when they're so close to the cow shed. It usually takes you a lot longer to get them out of the paddock when they're this close than what it does to literally get them out 5 minutes around the raceway. So, yeah. Come on, girls. Cows like to leave it to the last possible minute before they get out of bed. Come on. All the girls are in. Hey, it's morning, Dad. Morning. How are we this morning? Fluffy, Dad's alright. Off we get them moving. Here's Dad's little favourite heifer. Thank you. Hang on. How are you on? Nice little freezing. Loves her place at the front. Very good milker. That'll be why she gets a lot of milk. Oh girls, up we go. And we're gonna do this. And as you see, tail means backflush. So I got one. I got two. And then if we go down further, we go down Dad's end here, starting now. Back there somewhere. Way back there. 1, 2, 3 backflush. 4. Backflush means he's got to wash the cups out. Huh? Yeah, that's what he does. Yeah. Take it off the cow, wash it out, like that, and then he can cut the cow. Because we don't want to transfer any, she was an old mastitis cow, and could be carrying an infection or we're not too sure, so. Yep. Always best to check, just backflush here. Much easier.
We don't get cross-contamination.
That's right, no cross-contamination. Right. Last cow.
There's a rule of wash out the chili zone for the worst of the
Yeah, as he said, generally by the end of the season they're getting worse and worse because what happens when a cow gets close to drying off or drying herself off, their somatic cell count increases, which is just an indicator of possible mastitis infection, but can also be an indicator of cow drying off because she's getting less and less milk in her udder, therefore more and more chance of cell count or bacteria being in the udder. Right, go on girls, up we go. So it's always good to backflush certain cows, especially the high somatics, just in case you don't want to infect other cows. Hello, little heifer. Oh, a couple eating meal there. That little heifer gets coupled off. Good girls. Yep. He's washing the yard out there. Washed all these cups right down to here, except for this one. She's still milking. And milking very well. Good old girl. That's it. Just a hot acid day today. Look out here. Dad's all done. Just finishing off the pit. Jeepers, I'm that slow, he even had time to go wind up the reel. Go sit down and go start up his tractor. We'll finish hanging these up and then we'll head down and load up the maize wagon. Or feed out wagon. We better grab a bale on the way through. That Ready. And we're off. Disconnect. Get it back up my single row chopper. Go take little dog, go. He's in the tractor too. Yes, we've got a handbag dog. Yeah. Go up, climb. Ah, reconnected. Yeah, we're feeding out on the high ground to the girls. Can't see much out these windows. Back window we can. Don't put me on that side, mate. Catch us when we reload. I gave them just basically a turning arc because there's quite a big wet spot through the middle. And so I just went around the outside of that wet spot. The girls looking happy though. They'll enjoy their maize today. Let's go and reload and put the silage bale on top. That does a corner. I can't quite see it. So that should be enough for me to get around now. Sitting beside him. Put it down maize here and there so we can't really go right around, so we're just going to chop to one side again this time. Quite annoying, but at least we haven't lost that crop. Right. Go get the tractor and hook back up. We should be able to fit side by side now. 4 rows, as you can see there's quite a bit of maize leaning over down there. It's all tangling up. So lucky we did do this paddock first because it was only getting worse. It's big maize though. Big maize. Once around is enough to fill the wagon. Incredible. Right, we're gonna go spray some drains. It's pretty empty, so we'll go and reload and get back into it. See how she goes. She hasn't been started in a while. Be about 2 months since she's been started. Starts every time. Give her a quick grease up in there, over here, under there, just on the axle. That's all. Sweet. And we've also greased up the sprayer, just the PDO shaft. Should be away again. Okay, let's go and follow her up with some drain killer and get to it. Nice and full, ready to go. We got 4 litres of glyphosate because it works out at 1 litre per 100 litres of glyphosate, and then we've got our drain killer that lasts for 6 months in there too. That's a good stuff. Right, let's get a move on. Head on out and go spray some drain. In the centre of the drain here. It's been a while since this one's been sprayed, so we'll give her a good spray. Just down the centre so that the water's able to flow more easily. It's not getting blocked. Spraying the drain here, and you can see the drain's dropping nicely. Getting a bit harder here, it's not too soft anymore. And it's still soft there, but you can see they're actually starting to empty out. Flatten for the drain at one point. Let's get these spray up here. Fortunately, I couldn't get those big bits through the middle there and on this drain, but I can spray around the culvert. Drain back here. Awesome. Drain those little buggers. Oh, easy does it. Around the drain. Just like that. Easy peasy. Clear the drain up, that's the main objective. We're not too worried about the baclonica in the paddock, just the drain. We're all out of spray, she's empty. So we'll call it a day there. It's just gone 12 o'clock. Time for some breakfast. Little Toot does a great job, great job. Nice truck and trailer unit. He's carrying our lime. Carly's. Here's a lime. $30 tonne of lime, truckload. Yeah. Dad said we're meant to be getting it over the next 3 weeks, so that's good. Trailer now, and then he's going to dump the truck just beside it. Nice. It's a good load of lime. We'll probably be spreading that tomorrow. Just got to get the truck. There's the truck. Beautiful truck. Big Kenworth. That's alright, he knows what he's doing. Beauty. As he says, it's going to come out the front a little bit. That's alright. It's got to be how it is, unfortunately. It's just how it is. Usually it come out the air last time anyways. Would have come out to about where his front tyre was now. It was back tyre. Jeez, skill. Skills. He's done a great job there. Thank you very much. Right, we're going to back the tractor up and put it back out here, or else the cows are going to surround her and try and eat her when we let them out. There's here still. Afternoon, everybody. So the girls are on a mission today. They are out of here. That's probably the 5th row, I think it is. They're on their way today. They're in a rush because they're nice and close. Come on, girls. Up we go. Come on. Right up there. How we doing, Dad? Ah, fair enough, fair enough. Still working hard in there, still going. Yep. We're good?
Oh, good to see you finally turned up, cow.
I thought I'd come for the last 2 rows, eh?
Oh, handy, handy.
Attack of the flies, was it? Thank you. Right.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Right, I'm off to go feed out. Feeding out. We always try and change our angle when we're feeding out to the girls and the paddocks that we fed out in before. We'll try and feed out differently. Last time I was going this way. This time we're going side to side. We're just getting into the silage now. I'll see you all in the morning. Thank you. Thanks, Babo. Here you go.